Some coaches lose the client before the session even starts. I've watched coaches ask a perfect question at exactly the wrong moment. Textbook types of question. Right competency, wrong energy. And the client just shuts down. Not because the question was bad, but because the person asking it wasn't really there. They spend so much time in coach training, teaching the participants the how to ask powerful questions, how to reflect, how to challenge, how to use silence, and all of that actually does matter. I'm not dismissing it, but technique without presence is just performance. Clients actually feel the difference. Maybe they can't name it, but they feel it in their body when a coach is truly with them versus when a coach is thinking about what next to ask. That gap between being present and appearing present is where so much coaching quietly fails. So you can follow every model perfectly and still not actually be in the room. Present isn't a feeling you manufacture before a session. It's not just breathing exercises or a ritual, though those can help you arrive at it. It's something more fundamental than that. Presence is the decision to make this person right now, in this moment, the only thing that matters. So, not your next question, not the agenda, not whether you're doing this well, not the noise from whatever happened before you opened that Zoom call. When you're truly present, something shifts in the room. The client feels met and connected with, not coached, met and connected with. And from that place, they go deeper, faster than any technique could take them. I've had sessions where I've said very little, where I've asked just a few questions within the hour. And at the end, the client actually said it was the most powerful conversation they'd ever had. Not because of what I did, but because of how completely I was there. Presence is harder than technique because you can't fake it indefinitely. Technique, you can practice until it's automatic. Presence requires you to keep showing up as a whole person, not just a skilled practitioner. It means doing your own work, knowing what pulls you out of the room, knowing your triggers, understanding your own assumptions, your need to be seen as competent, and managing those things before they manage you. The coaches who are truly extraordinary, the ones clients talk about years later, they're not the ones with the most tools in their toolkit. They're the ones who made their clients feel like the most important person in the world for that hour. That's not technique. That's a quality of being. And it's something you have to keep choosing every session, every client, every time. So before your next session, just pause for a moment, not to review your notes or to prepare your questions, just to arrive. To decide that whoever is going to be in front of you has your entire attention. That one decision will do more for your coaching than any model you've ever learned. I'm Coach Adaora Ayoade. See you in the next one. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button to gain more insights.